What's up, guys? Philip at Trade Genius. All right, Ethereum has a security flaw in its upcoming fork, and Price freaked out a little bit about that. So let's just take a quick look at what's going on as far as the technical sides of that, as far as the Ethereum bug and how that's affecting price in Ethereum and Bitcoin. All right, let's check it out.
Trade Genius.
Guys, real quick plug here. Got 9 hours left on some discounts here on winter specials. We just closed out a nice binary trade last night where for every $100 of capital, you made about 30%. And we do that pretty regularly on the binary option side of things, as well as the other services that we have with the crypto and the ETF and stocks in our chat rooms and stuff. So check that out. Love to see you guys in the room with us. All right. So as far as Ethereum goes, their Constantinople upgrade, basically what happened was they found a bug, and basically would have created a similar situation where the DAO hack, remember, that was rolled back, and that's how Ethereum Classic was born and all that stuff. So some similar bug was found when they did the audit on it. So does that surprise me? Not entirely, but what happened was we had a knee-jerk reaction. And so the knee-jerk reaction was also felt in Bitcoin. You'll notice that we have a quick spike down. I will say this on this move on Bitcoin: if this 4-hour candle holds this level here, and so basically what it did is it came down, took out these prior lows over here, and wicked back up. So if it holds above this, especially if it holds above this 3570 level, which is a support level, support and resistance, I'd find that a bit bullish, and you might be able to get a bit of a push back up. That would be a higher low here, so I think you would be there'd be room there for a bounce up. But we'll see how this 4-hour candle closes. Right now it is 5:25 p.m. Eastern. Ethereum, on the other hand, not as bullish on this. The reason for that is we have a different structure here. It's much weaker. Also, this support and resistance line has been tested, and it's coming back, bounced nicely off of it, but it's come up and is now falling down. If you guys remember back up in here, we said, hey, we're getting overextended, and as we approach the fork, watch out for a sell-off, and that's exactly what happened. So this level here, which is 114, I would be highly suspect of that level. If that thing breaks, then what I would likely foresee happening is we'll see something like a break that comes down, and basically what you're looking for is where's the next support and resistance level. That's going to be right around 105, okay, which is going to be this level here. So this comes back to this level here, okay, 105 area. So you could potentially see a move down to that, back up, retrace, and this 114 level would likely be a place where you'd see some selling come in. Pretty heavy selling, I would imagine. So that would be kind of the immediate thing that I would look at. So we'll see if this bug doesn't get resolved. That level is definitely in jeopardy. So just keep that in mind if you have any positions on Ethereum. All right, just wanted to cover that, guys, because of the security bug announcement and kind of the knee-jerk reaction on price, so you know what you're dealing with there. All right, guys, that's it for this video. Again, if you want to join us in the room, head over to tradelikeagenius.com and check it out. All right, guys, thanks for watching. Please hit like and subscribe. I'll see you on the next video. Take care. Bye.